To connect PostgreSQL with Python, you can use the PostgreSQL library, which provides a simple interface for interacting with PostgreSQL databases. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install PostgreSQL. First, you need to install the PostgreSQL library, which is the PostgreSQL adapter for Python. Use pip to install it. Alternatively, you can install the binary version for easier installation. Import PostgreSQL in your Python script. In your Python script, import the PostgreSQL library. Connect to PostgreSQL. Use the PostgreSQL.connect function to establish a connection to the PostgreSQL database. Create a cursor object. After connecting, create a cursor object to interact with the database. Execute queries. You can now execute SQL queries, for example, to fetch data. Close the connection. Always close the cursor and connection after operations.